Okay, let's look at this one together. Okay, here's our formula. So we're going to identify first what n and r is. N is 9, and then r is 5. So let's plug it into our formula. Okay, I'm going to do 9 minus 5. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write out 9 factorial the long way, but I'm going to stop when I reach to the 5 factorial. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Now what happens is the two 5 factorials, they simplify out, they cross out. So what I'm left with is 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 all over 4 factorial, and 4 factorial is 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I'm just going to plug this into my calculator. I'm going to do this in parentheses, and then divided by this in parentheses. So I'm going to put parentheses 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 in the parentheses, divided by, start a new parentheses, 4 times 3 times 2. I don't need to worry about the times 1 because anything times 1 is just itself in the parentheses, and that is 126. And one more thing I did want to point out is you might be wondering why I chose the 5 factorial here, and that's because it's the bigger one. So whatever the bigger one is, stop there, and then the bigger one will cross out.